Good morning, catastrophic science students. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and we are now on the final countdown. Seniors, your final assignment will be Friday of this week, May 8th. That is the final assignment day for seniors, May 8th. If you are a junior, your final assignments for catastrophic will be next week, a week from today. So we are down to our final week for juniors, and we are down to our final 3 days of assignments for seniors. So we probably are going to have the question, several questions perhaps, and the answer to those questions are yes. We might have the question, can you still submit work for catastrophic science? The answer to that question is yes. Can you still get full points for any assignments that are late? Can you get points for those, and will it be full points? The answer to that question is yes. Can you still pass this 9 weeks? You may have not turned in anything yet. Can you still pass this 9 weeks? Yes. You might have the question, when would be the last day that you can turn those assignments in? Well, that one, I don't know what the answer is to that one exactly. So I can't just say yes, because I don't even know if there is a last day that you can turn things in. So our plan of action here would be for you to just begin submitting as much work as you possibly can. I don't know the last date that you're going to be able to submit work, but let's just pretend that there is no date. Begin submitting as many assignments as you can. Keep in mind that this 9 weeks, if you merely show that you have tried this 9 weeks to participate in e-learning, trying meaning submitting as many assignments as you can, if you show that you are trying, you will automatically get a 100% for this 9 weeks. That's how we're going to be graded. Either you tried or you didn't try. If you tried, it's 100%. If you didn't try, you will fail. So give me the illusion that you're trying. Get as much as you've done as you can. Get the work in. What are we working on? Well, right now, if you're wondering where we are right now, we are in the nuclear catastrophe section on Google Classroom. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and we will be doing Inside Nuclear Power Plants, Day 3. You'll watch the videos, you'll answer some questions, you'll share it with me, you'll get points, you will pass. So let's go. You can get this done. It's not too late. You can still pass. The answer to that, can you pass, is yes. Good luck. I look forward to seeing you submit assignments.